Look at this. I am in Bandon, Oregon. There is just an unbelievable amount of potential compositions here. I mean, we've got everything. You got the sea rock with the arch in it. We've got all these just monoliths sitting out on the water, shaping up to be a nice sunset. Look at this. Especially it's hard to see it here, but I love that rock there. I don't know. I'm just kind of getting the lay of the land from up top here. But I'm going to go down there and just water the beach. I know, the ocean noise. But I've been walking up and down this beach scouting for sunset locations and taking some test shots to see where I want to be. I think I found some really cool spots. So just, I don't know, it's one of the little ways I operate is I'll get to a place, and I got here super early, like 12:30, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Sunset's not till 8:30, so what do you do? This place, I mean, look at this place. It's all to myself. You see the fog rolling on the bottom? Even the test shots are coming out really, really pretty. So I'm going to go sit in the car and look through some of those and just kind of dial in the compositions I want. And then walk back down here. There's just so many. I mean, I have my 24 to 70 lens and my 70 to 200 lens. So I don't know. I can play around and have some depth. I can get some wide shots. But I mean, this beach. See all the people here? Oh my god. Oh my god, this is insane. So I'm having a blast, and I came down, can you see them? I came down those stairs, way back there, way back there. So I gotta walk back to those stairs and go back to the car, look at some compositions. Look at that rock. Jeez, isn't nature amazing? Wow. Let's take a picture of that. Wow. Wow. Just super incredible. So, yeah, life is good. Life is good. I don't know. It's so windy. I'm sorry. Okay, I'll call this. I'm going to look at my test shots, and then we'll grab some sunset shots a little later. Okay, cool. I feel like the foreplay is ending and the main event is coming up. It's about 6:30 now, so I've been scouting the location and looking at the test photos that I took and deciding really where I want to go and getting all excited, and now it's time. So hope it isn't over too fast.